Hi, we're going to look at polynomial long division with a remainder and having missing terms within the problem. So I have this division problem. Now, when I say missing terms, I want to make sure we're in standard form, highest exponent to lowest exponent, but I also want to make sure I have every exponent from beginning to end. So here, I'm missing an x to the third, and I'm missing a plain old x. I need to fill those spots when doing long division. So what I'm going to do is rewrite the problem with those missing spots. So this x minus 2 is going to be on the outside. And then on the inside, I'm going to have x to the fourth. I need an x to the third, so what I'm going to do is put a plus 0 x to the third. We just want a placeholder. Minus 3x squared. We need an x, so we're going to do another placeholder of 0x. And then we have our 18. So we have all of our numbers in order. Good. Now we can start this long division process. So I start by going x times what gives me that as an answer. I start with 1x, I end with 4. I need 3 x's, x to the third. And I'm going to put this over my x to the thirds just to line up all my terms above each other. I now want to distribute that x to the third back to everything. X to the third times x gives me x to the fourth. X to the third times -2, negative 2x to the third. I want to group, I want to subtract. Now every time we distribute, this first term should be the same because when we subtract them, positive and negative, they disappear. Now we're left with 0 minus minus, or 0 plus 2x to the third, and bring down. So first round is done. Let's do this all again. X times what gives me 2x to the third. So I have 1x. I want to end with 2 x's. I have no number. Well, I have a 1. I want to end with a 2. I have a 2 up there. Let's distribute just the 2x squared. 2x squared times x, 2x to the third, 2x squared times -2, minus 4x squared. Group, subtract. Positive and negative, cancel. -3 plus 4, giving us 1 x squared. Bring down. Once again, let's try it all. I want to say x times what gives me 1x squared, or just x squared. We're going to say just x. X times x, distribute. X squared. X times -2 minus 2x. Group, subtract. These are both the same. One's positive, one's negative, cancel out. And again, because we added those zeros, we had a placeholder where we could actually subtract from. So 0 minus a negative, so 0 plus 2x gives us just 2x. Keep going, bring down that -18, and the process begins again. X times what gives me 2x? X times 2. So notice that all my answers, x thirds, x squared, x number, they're all lining up with each other. Let's distribute 2 times x, 2x. 2 times -2 is -4. Group, subtract. 2 minus 2, goodbye. -18 plus 4, giving us -14. We have nothing else to bring down. And we're going to have a remainder now. So how do we write that? Well, we're going to say plus. We're going to give a fraction line. That -14 goes up top. What goes on bottom of the fraction is what we originally divided by, x minus 2. So our final answer is this big ugly thing. And that is polynomial long division with a remainder and missing terms.